Look at that, boy. Oh. What's up, YouTube? It's your girl officially Ari, and we back with another video. But as you already read by the title, you guys already know it's a hair tutorial. So I'm about to put my lovely ladies up on game. I'm about to put y'all up on game on how I get these bomb cute hairstyles, bruh. And if y'all really start liking these videos, I will do more. But I'm about to just put y'all up on game. So if you want to see how I achieve these super cute 5 bomb hairstyles, then just go ahead, stay tuned, and of course like, comment, share on this video, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel.
shit out of here.
Rose gold seat on a fucking helicopter, double C, no Chanel, cause she's bad, bad, bad. Riding Kawasaki, I can cup you a new Rari, let you ride it, now you're rap, and you're bad, bad, bad. No plan, no Atari, I won't play with you for nothing, I can eat you like hibachi, cause you bad, bad, bad. I just took the doors, all the guinea, now I'm riding, and I'm sliding in the sideways, now she call me her zaddy. Rich nigga, shit, I bought my daddy a new paddock, got a model, got a ticket, got a BM, got a stallion, got a $1 billion corporation, fuck us, Annie, I got millions to go get in a couple bitches to, yeah. You my dog till we dead, not a question, but I can't fuck with you like I want, cause you ready, got $1 million in the wall, in the bed, and got it stepped on, got it hard, got it cracking on her. $500,000, I just did a warm up for $500,000. I can buy the building, I can rent this shit out and save it for the children. I can debt this shit out and give it to the villains. Somewhere they can hide when they do some killing. All of the rides got grenade ceilings. Loaded with a ride, cost a cool million. Rose gold seat on a fucking helicopter, double C, no Chanel, cause she's bad, bad, bad. Riding Kawasaki, I can cup you a new Rari, let you ride it, now you're rap, and you're bad, bad, bad. No plan, no Atari, I won't play with you for nothing, I can eat you like hibachi, cause you bad, bad, bad. I just took the doors, all the guinea, now I'm riding, and I'm sliding in the sideways, now she call me her zaddy.
Paper tap, peanut butter seats, I'm riding. I be in the 4, I fuck with slime, we tied. Different color deals on my feet, I couldn't decide with. Never talked about it, she done made us up my side, bitch. Trash bag gang, I can put that on the line. Street shows me, I ain't never had to sign up. Still be hearing bitches in the group, I make them line up. Beat, 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 that's me, nigga, get back. Real dope boy, don't know how to work a cash out. How many you got, I send a loan, me the cash out. I be sipping lean by the P till I pass out. Went to sleep apartment, woke up in the paradise. Niggas still in drip, but it don't matter, they don't wear it right. They don't even speak, but I can see, I got them terrified. Double R truck come through, shit on everybody. Bad, bad bitch, good head, hit her every night.
Rose gold seat on a fucking helicopter, double C, no Chanel, cause she's bad, bad, bad. Riding Kawasaki, I can cup you a new Rari, let you ride it, now you're rap, and you're bad, bad, bad. No plan, no Atari, I won't play with you for nothing, I can eat you like hibachi, cause you bad, bad, bad. I just took the doors, all the guinea, now I'm riding, and I'm sliding in the sideways, now she call me her zaddy. Take the 4 doors off of the Jeep, I ain't doing no swaps with a freak. We can handle this shit out in the streets, yeah. I ain't going to a house for me.
I get it wild, I get it wild.
I get it crunk.
Oh, no!
I get it wide, I get the party lit outside. I get it crunk, I get it wide, I get the party lit outside. Just do it like Nicki. Okay, mop it down low, now mop it to you.
Okay, on to the next hairstyle. freshly washed and blow dried, so your ponytail could be big and fluffy as you want it. But mine wasn't because it was so wet and curled up from the gel and stuff. But this is the finished look. I had put it in a bun, so it's in a small bun. I wrapped it around and I put like an extra ponytail holder on it. It's in a small bun. It's swooped nice. Yeah, with a little bang, not too dramatic. And I just did these edges because they match better with the small bun. It looks a little bit more classy. And I chose black rubber bands because black goes with anything, and I don't really like the colored unless I'm like wearing it for a one-time thing. But yes, y'all, so this is the look on that one. Now it's time for the next one. Okay, so now it's time for the final hairstyle. This one's gonna be pretty simple because I'm kind of already in it a little bit. So I'm gonna put down hairstyle. So the bang is already done. So step one for this hairstyle, you would need to do your bang. The rubber band method is already done. So the only thing I have to do is really wet it, put some curly stuff in it, and then I'll be good.
Shawty made that ass clap, she don't need no applause. High fashion, like Goya, G-Wagon, or the Rover. I put some ice on you cause you got a cold heart. I know I gotta keep my shawty on go, go, go. Drop that ass to the floor, floor, yeah. Ah, whoa, you ain't gotta deal with none of these niggas no more. If we hop in the Benz, is that okay? Is it okay if I call you my pride babe? I ain't no player, I just got a lot of bass. But let me tell you, I like you a lot, babe. I wanna start at the top and the bottom, babe. Now you want the shoe with the red at the bottom, babe. You know I like when you right at the top, babe. She wants your name and D-O-Yo. I'm only doing cash, I don't need promo. I pull up to the high rise, I'm in the fofo. Inside Coco. If I got a feeling, I keep it inside my heart. And I keep a pedicure cause I don't do facades. You can see my diamonds even when I'm in the dark. And since you got it, it make you go and do anything you want. Shawty made that ass clap, she don't need no applause. High fashion, like Goya, G-Wagon, or the Rover. I put some ice on you cause you got a cold heart. I know I gotta keep my shawty on go, go. Drop that ass to the floor, floor, yeah. Ah, whoa, you ain't gotta deal with none of these niggas no more. If we hop in the Benz, is that okay? Is it okay if I call you my pride babe? I ain't no player.
Okay guys, that's the end of this tutorial. I know this video probably came out really long, but it's hair, so it's gonna come out long. But yeah, this is the end of the video. Go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. Go ahead and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to comment and share. But yeah. Alright, I'm out.